My husband asked if I could make signs for his office, so I'm sublimating wood signs following a tutorial by Jennifer Maker, which will be linked in the description. And if you want to know, the supplies I use will be listed below in the description as well. I'm going to speed up the process video for a quicker viewing experience, and if you enjoy the video or are inspired to make your own project, subscribe for continued encouragement. First, I heat pressed the wood to remove any moisture. Then I went over it with a coat of white gesso. Next, I laminated half of a laminating pouch on one side of the wood, and I did that for both wood pieces. Then I sublimated on top of the laminated side. Detailed step-by-step instructions are in the Jennifer Maker tutorial. I needed to make the rectangular sign look more rustic, so I went over the actual lamination with clear gesso, Dixie VooDoo gel stain, a Faber Castell Pitt pen, a Holtz distressed crayon, and Faber and artsy waxes. Next, I drilled 2 holes on the top of the sign and added eyelet screws and then attached some twine. My husband also wanted to be able to switch out signs easily, so I added some strong magnets to the circular sign.